In this section, we'll be building our very own app, which will be fully fledged and fully shippable to the App Store or the Play Store. So the app that we're going to create is called IdeaPad. So where you can log in first, jot down your ideas, and then you can go back to it whenever you need it. You can edit the ideas, you can delete the ideas. It's a place for managing all the ideas that you get. And I know that this sounds a lot like Notepad, but yeah, it's just a simple example to cover many aspects of a database. Like, for example, if you were to create an idea, if you want to delete an idea, if you were to update an idea. So it's basically like a CRUD application as well. So it covers everything in one whole package. That's why I picked this app. So first, I'm just going to be going through some mockups that we have to understand the things that we would have to create, because mockups help us imagine how the app would look like, and it gives us a vision of what we're creating. All right, so the first thing, we have already created a login panel. We've already created an authentication module. So we've already done with one first step. And as soon as you log in, it takes you to the home screen page, which is the idea list of all the ideas. So that's basically the second screen, which is a list of all the ideas. And there's a plus button at the top, which means that you can add an idea or create an idea. Now, yes, the ideas that are here are user specific. So for example, if you logged in with another user email and password, the list of ideas that you have will be different. So it's user specific. So when you click the plus button, it takes you to the add idea page, which is a simple form. You have a title field, you have an idea field, you have a field for writing out all your ideas, and you have a submit button. As soon as you click the submit button, you get navigated back to the home screen, and you can see your idea at the top or at the bottom, depending on how you sort your ideas. All right, so once you click any one of the ideas, it takes you to an edit idea page where you can edit your idea, and then you can see the whole description and everything. I could have given a page where you can see the layout or see the view, but that's up to you. I gave this edit idea page to give an idea of how to edit your ideas. So you can also delete and edit your ideas. So that's why it covers all the CRUD terminal, all the CRUD functionalities, the create, remove, update, delete functionalities. So these are the three different screens that we'll be creating, because we've already creating one of the screens, which is the login page. So that all we have to do is create the other three screens. And we also need a way to navigate between all these screens. So we'll also be covering the whole navigation concept as well. So yes, you get to create a fully fledged app, and you can publish it to the App Store. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename our project, because I'm just going to be using the existing components and modules like the authentication module. So I'm going to be renaming this project to IdeaPad, and I've opened the project in my editor. So it's the old code, but the project name is now IdeaPad. Let's see if our application is running. Cool, the application is running as well. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be porting the Firebase logic from a login form to my app.js file, because now the database will be shared. It will just not be used in the login form, it will be used in the whole app. So putting this here, and I also have to import the Firebase library here as well. Let's also remove all these console logs that we have, because that just makes our code very dirty.